Okay, so code.org, lesson 14, level or the bubble 10. These are conditionals. If this happens, then this. So you set the condition and then you're going to say this will happen and you code that. So right now, if you look in the upper right, if the balloon grows to hit the sides, you're going to see a pop sprite. And so let's run what we have first to see. Now down at the bottom here, we've got the watchers. We want to find out what it says when the balloon hits the sides. So it's growing, 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 and almost, not quite. I would say probably, yeah, definitely. So I'd say that was probably like 65 maybe. We can try it again. Because the top hit first before the sides did. Yeah, we can move that out a little bit here. It's 450. And as soon as it hits, and that is right now 68, I think, right? Okay. So we're going to stop that. All right. So at 68. So first thing we need to do is we have the variable for the balloon, but we don't have one for the pop. So we need to go ahead and create that var pop. Yes. Create sprite. And that's 200, comma space 200, right arrow, and then semicolon. You could easily just do one of these as well, right? I could bring this over and do the sprite.set animation. I have it going to text, right? And I could just change this to pop instead of typing it. I could just do pop.set animation, and inside the quotes, I'm just going to put pop. Either way you do it, I do prefer text. I think it's much easier. Whoops, and this is wrong. This is a dash. There's equal. There we go. All right, those are the little things that'll keep you for hours looking at the code saying, what did I do wrong? All right, and so then the next line is we don't want to see that right now. So we have a new property we haven't worked with yet. It's called the visible property. So we're going to go ahead and say pop.visible gets, and it's false because we don't want it to be visible. So it's going to be, that's like a Boolean, right? True and false. We want it to be false. Is it visible? False. No. All right. And so now we have both of our sprites. And then down here, we have that background. And so we have our, I'm going to raise this up a little bit. Up. All right. And up. Okay. So background is here. And now we need an if statement. So again, if you don't want to type it up, you can, under control, you can bring this if statement over. Yeah, it's got to go over. There we go. If, and what do we want to happen? Well, you want that if the balloon dot scale gets to be greater than symbol, don't type that out, greater than, I think it was 0.68, correct? 0.68. Okay. Then next line, what do we want? Well, we want the pop dot visible gets true. We want that to be seen, semicolon. And what else? We want the balloon dot visible to be false. Oops. And then leading up. You know what? There we go. Ho ho. Forgot that again. Look at that. All right. So it's always 0 point, right? So here we have, if the balloon gets to be bigger than 0.68, pop.visible will be true. So you'll see that pop. Balloon.visible will be false. You will not see the balloon. And then, of course, we have the draw sprite. So let's go ahead and give that a run. Balloon's growing, growing, growing. It's now 25, 30, 40, 50, 60. Up, there we go. And it works. And I hope that makes sense to you. If not, drop a line, subscribe to the channel, and leave a good comment. Thank you.